So if you've ever wanted to do some archery in your own home without breaking stuff, well, now you can with this smart virtual archery system. It's actually pretty crazy how this thing works. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product preview, straight to the point and no fluff. So this comes in from Wonderfitter.com. It's the Hoyi Smart Arrow. And it does come in pieces to put together, but it's actually quite simple, especially with the instruction manual. And then once you get it all set up, you connect it to the app. And it's basically like you're playing this game on your app, but then you just send it to your smart TV so you can have it up on a bigger screen. That'd have been cool if I hit it. The bow is actually really quality made. I mean, this thing is solid. It's not like a plastic toy. It's crafted for power and durability. And you can experience realistic feedback. So it's like shooting a real bow, but only safer. Got him. And then you have the brains behind it all, and it sits right here, and it connects to the bow and the smartphone via Bluetooth. It has an accelerometer, gyroscope, and a magnetometer to get accurate movements and aiming, and even gauge the power of the shot. And the battery will last around 10 hours. Going to the app, you can actually use this with a VR headset and really feel like you're in the environment. You can also use this with your iPad and just be more mobile with it. You can put it on your TV or a projector just to have a bigger and more fun experience with it. Or you can even use this as a real recurved bow and shoot real arrows with it. That's how heavy duty this thing is. The app is easy to follow and set up, and you can do some target practice, go hunting for some animals, be a virtual Olympian, and even challenge some friends or strangers from around the world. And there's a variety of different games to choose from. So check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. And this could be a great gift for someone that's more outdoorsy, maybe even just like, it's like a good workout too. So if you want to keep yourself conditioned for like going real hunting, this might actually be a great tool for that. It's really fun to play with. It's very creative and innovative. And once you get your hands on it, you can see it's really, like, it is really high quality. But thanks again for watching another short, not short product preview. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Master Black.